Hi, welcome back to the channel. On this video, I will be printing out this Bigfoot license plate cover. It's an item I printed in the past for my parents, and now they're going to be needing new ones. So let's get started. I'll be printing this out of black PETG so that it could be durable for the exterior weather, and then I'll be coloring in the fonts to help them stand out and become more legible. Mainly due to not having white PETG to go along with it, but painting shouldn't be a problem. So let's get to printing. Alright, let's check out how this license plate turned out. Turned out pretty nicely. Now what I would do is just paint and seal it up. Alright, I got my white Sharpie paint pincher oil-based pen right here. I'll be using that to color our license plate in and see how well it turns out. Top section down, looking pretty good so far. I just gotta get the bottom section done. Alright, and there we have it. I just gotta let this dry a little bit, probably do one more coat of the Sharpie, and then all we have to do is clear coat so it's all set in for the exterior weather. Alright, now I got the license plate all painted, and now we just gotta hit it up with some clear coat, outdoor and indoor, to seal up the paint, and let's see how well that turns out. Let that dry up for a second, and then with the second coat.
12 seconds later.
Alright, now we're gonna go ahead and hit it with the second coat. Alright, you gotta let that dry and see how well it turns out. Alright, and here's the final product. Looks pretty good, although I would have preferred to print it out in white PETG for the lettering instead of just painting it. It would have looked a lot nicer. Maybe next time I do another license plate, I'll do that and see how well it turns out, especially for doing multicolor prints. I mean, it turned out pretty nice for my parents, so give it to them and sure they'll like it. Alright, and that's the end of this 3D print. Make sure to like and subscribe for more prints moving forward, and until next time, print on.